Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you a really helpful tool, and I've been using this every freaking day since it came into my account. So how often have you received an email like this, where either you are the one creating it and sending it off for your availability, or you're receiving it from coworkers or others that you work with? You'll see that this person has said, okay, this is going to be our availability. You probably had to spend some time to go through your calendar to come up with these different time slots. Well, guess what? Let's save you a ton of time. So, for example, you create your new message. Down at the bottom of your screen, you should probably see this new icon that says set up a time to meet. Or it may be underneath your three little dot icon just to the right of that, and it will give you the option to set up a time to meet. But here's how this works. We're going to click on that. This is going to be the option we want to pick of offer times you're free. Once we do that, we go into our calendar sidebar to the right. And this is going to allow you to, in the bottom right, pick how long you want this meeting to be. So let's say, for example, we're just going to get together for a quick touch base, 30 minutes, hour, whatever you need. Then from there, in this calendar view, I can now start just picking and selecting my time slots. So today's not a great day because we're sending this soon. Let's go to the next day. And then I can say, all right, well, it looks like I've got from 8 to 10. And actually, I'm just going to scroll that down to 10. And then I want to be 12 to 2. And then maybe a slot that's going to be from 3 to 4. And you can see we can adjust as we need to if we miss picking what we need to pick. And we'll just do those 3 slots there. So we can look down at the bottom, 8 to 10 and 12 to 1:30. I'm going to go to my next day. And ooh, looks like I'm kind of busy. So I've only got 1 slot there that I can use. And we'll just do that as a couple hours worth. And then on Friday, oh, looks like I got quite a bit of availability. So I can say from 11 to 4. And you'll see it segregates into those different slots as we pick for 30-minute options. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom, double check my dates and times. We're going to click on next in the lower right-hand corner. And this is going to give me the option to preview things. I am going to then change the title instead of let's meet. And we can just say that this is going to be our meeting, whatever we want it to be called. And down on the bottom right, we can add to email. Now, before I go there, you'll see another thing as well. If we need to, we can also add this additional information to the calendar invite. So what this is going to do is it's going to insert this frame into our email so that the recipient can pick what time slot that they want to meet with you. So we're going to click on the add to email. It will pop it into our email as we see to the left side of our calendar bar there. And now my recipient will be able to just say, this slot works good for me. They pick it. It will automatically create the calendar invite with them on it. Put the calendar invite on your calendar and accept because you are the creator and give you that option to save a little bit of time. So I think this is a huge time saver. I love this because I've been reaching out to a lot of clients, giving them my availability so that they can select when they can meet up. And then from there, the invite gets created automatically, which I got to say, I love. Great time saver. So with that, until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update. Once again, this is the option down on the bottom of your email to set up a time to meet. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.